Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be testing the battery in my Mercedes-Benz C300. Before we get started, make sure you check out our store for all the latest merchandise from the Garage USA, including some items that are available for a limited time. Not only do they look great, it also helps support the channel. Now back to the video. Thanks for joining me. Today I am testing the battery in my C300, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so you want to remove this cover. And then there is the battery. There's the ground. There's the positive. We're going to take this little plastic red cover off of the battery. And then we're going to hook up the load tester. So we're going to start by connecting the positive. And then we're going to connect the ground, and you can see that we are in a very good range. We're going to put a load on it now by flipping the switch here on this. And you just want to flip the toggle switch. The manual says to flip it for at least 5 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and do that to test this. Alright, and that actually did drop into the top of that weak range, so that was a little surprising, like all of those. So even though this battery isn't that old, it is starting to get a little weak under here, so that's actually a little surprising. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.